Dog Brain! Astronaut Snoopy and Ace Pilot Woodstock are ready to go head-to-head in a space race. On your marks, get set, go! Woodstock takes the lead. Look at him go! Oh no, it looks like they've come face to face with a meteor shower. Snoopy, watch out! Are you okay, Snoopy? I'm sorry, Snoopy, but it looks like you might have lost the race. Welcome back to Mars, Snoopy. Now how will you get that rocket fixed and back on its way? Wow, Snoopy, you found the Mars rover. Did you know that the Mars rover drills through rocks and sniffs the air to see if life could survive on Mars? It smells like cookies. I think that's the cookie you stowed away in your spacesuit, Snoopy. What's that, Snoopy? You're going to use parts of the rover to fix the rocket? A job well done. Looks like your rocket is ready to take flight again. Go on, Snoopy. You've got a race to finish. Oh no, it's the meteor shower again. Look, Snoopy, the Orion spacecraft. Now you can show those meteors who's boss. Look at you go! Well, it looks like the race isn't over just yet. Who will cross the finish line first? The final moment. Go! Seems a meteor took out the finish line. I guess everyone is a winner today. Congratulations, Snoopy and Woodstock!